Hello everyone. Welcome to Vinay Kumar Guru channel. Today's video is all about top 10 stenography exam tricks, which is very useful for your exam. So let's get started. Improve your typing speed. Since stenography involves fast typing, it is important to practice typing regularly to improve your speed and accuracy in Hindi language. Learn Hindi shorthand. Hindi shorthand is a must-know skill for stenography exams in Hindi language. Practice writing common words and phrases in Hindi shorthand to improve your speed and accuracy. Focus on accuracy. Accuracy is crucial in stenography as even a minor mistake can lead to a wrong interpretation of the content. So, pay attention to accuracy during your practice sessions. Practice dictation in Hindi language. Dictation is an important part of the stenography exam. Practice dictation exercises in Hindi language to improve your listening and writing skills. Read Hindi newspapers and magazines. Reading Hindi newspapers and magazines can help improve your vocabulary, grammar and comprehension skills in Hindi language. Use online resources. There are many online resources available for stenography exam preparation in Hindi language. Use them to practice and improve your skills. Take mock tests. Taking mock tests can help you identify your weaknesses and strengths in Hindi language stenography. It will also help you manage your time during the exam. Time management. Time management is a critical skill for stenography exams. Practice managing your time during practice sessions to be able to complete the exam within the given time frame. Focus on common words and phrases. Learn common words and phrases used in stenography exams and practice writing them in Hindi shorthand. Stay calm and focused during the exam. Stay calm and focused during the exam. Don't panic if you make a mistake. Just keep going and try to complete the exam to the best of your ability.